All right, so this is my second devlog. Um, Pretty much the main things I've been focusing on are visual improvements. So a lot of the pixel art I have redone. So let's click play. So this is what it looks like, and it doesn't look amazing, but I really like how it looks now. It looks quite a bit better. A lot of the UI stuff I have to redo, like your base 100 looks pretty bad. Also some animation stuff I got to fix. Animations is going to be a very big thing. I'm working with my friend, still haven't got that stuff implemented. It'll be a bit of time. He just started kind of working on it. Started working on the slimes, and then I'll get him to work on the cubes next. One thing I did implement was the number queue. So that looks cool. Also, buildings. Fully implemented the buildings. These are all original and all mine. The cost reduction, I believe, was in the first devlog, and it does still work. But the art assets for everything else have been implemented. I also realized, oh, frick, I'm losing my own game. Oh, shoot. No, I'm kidding. I probably should have added a little bit of a black pixel along the perimeter, but that's okay. Same here. Also, these logs look awful. I really got to work on this one. This one looks pretty bad. Warehouse looks pretty mediocre too. This is my first time trying pixel art. The clouds look half decent, I can't lie, but everything else is kind of mid. Also, I'm kind of happy with the workshop. I like how the workshop looks too. And everything else, yeah, pretty much almost all the pixel art is 100% original. I don't think I see anything that isn't original. No. A lot of these like buildings weren't original before, but now they are, so that's good. I gotta reposition some of this text. All right, so there's oh no, I was gonna say it's the enemy base isn't taking damage, but there's code with an attack line of like where the enemies stop, and you have to be in like reach of the base and stuff. So, also if there's two enemies, I think I want it to do a multiplier. So this first one gets a multiplier of let's say 2 right here, because there's 2 units behind it. That way doing extra damage at the front could be possible. But yeah, resources are going up, and all this pixel art is original too now. I'm pretty happy with the iron. The log could be a little better. I feel like log is a little sloppy. Stone I'm pretty happy with. Probably a little black pixel along the bottom would be good. And the coin I'm pretty happy with. Also, coin probably should have had black as well. These ones don't need to be animated. There's no reason to. Also, I just realized I'm probably getting too many resources too fast. Because truthfully, you probably want a max of like 200 resources. Anything above that, like these numbers starting like overlapping and stuff. But yeah, the clouds I'm very happy with. They look beautiful. They do stop and start at a certain point, so you can kind of see that here. Eventually, you won't be able to see past this, and eventually this blue actually stops, I think. Can I scale out? No. All right, I went too far, and now I don't know how far I am. All right, let's go back. But yeah, that's pretty cool. One of the next things I want to work on is this UI here. I want it to look a lot better. I actually did something in my Roblox game, which is looks pretty cool. I followed a YouTube tutorial. I should make sure, of course, to leave any credit where credit is due. Pretty much just as like a wood background for the panel or whatever, so that could look cool. And then the button, I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with. But yeah, a lot of stuff needs to be repositioned, a lot of text and whatnot. But we're getting there, guys. It's become more of a game. All right, that's it for the devlog.